Let me tell you something most people won't tell you about crypto. Trading is not the only way to make money. In fact, while most people are busy trading, buying and selling and losing money, a lot of persons are making money from decentralized platforms, smart contracts, and this is not new. We've seen this happen before with platforms like Coresage, where early users made thousands of dollars. Now, something similar is coming up again on core blockchain. But here is the problem. Most people will not be able to participate in this, not because they don't have money, but because they don't have the right setup. Before you can connect to platforms that will pay you in crypto, before you can start anything, you will need a decentralized wallet. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your OKX wallet the right way. Don't skip this because this is where everything starts. Alright, so now we need to search for OKX Wallet on our Apple Store or Play Store. Now I'm going to search for OKX Wallet and I'm going to install it, but I already have it on my phone, so I'm going to open it. So you let it load up. Now this is the best wallet to use for engaging in smart contracts on any decentralized platform. Now you need to create one account, or if you have a seed phrase already or a wallet already, you can import it here, but I'm going to create a new one for the sake of this video. Set a password for the wallet, and once that is done, you just click on continue. Okay, now while I will recommend that you create a new password, new seed phrase wallet, is that you have to keep that wallet, you own that wallet. So write it down, the seed phrase, in different places. Instead of using Google backup, the Google Drive, use a seed phrase. Why you should back this up, you just read it and you understand that this is what you need to do. And the next thing for you to do is to create the wallet. Okay, now make sure your screen is only visible to you. Now this is, they're trying to let you know that no one else should be seeing your seed phrase, and there's no issue you should have with your wallet that would demand that you give someone your seed phrase. Not even me that is taping this video. Don't give anybody your seed phrase. It's what makes that wallet your own. All right, so you need to store your seed phrase, set up a password, and you'll be giving your seed phrase. I'm not going to show you this. I'll just write it down and confirm that this is my seed phrase. I'll put the number 1 word here, number 9 and number 11 to know that I have already written this down. Okay, and I'll be done. So you do the same. Now your wallet is already set up. Okay, this is one of the best wallet to use. You can trade here, you can do a lot of things here on decentralized platforms. A lot of things is happening here with the OKX wallet. Okay, so I would suggest that you make this one of your wallets that you use. I do a lot of reviews about wallets, but this is one of them that is very, very special that you need to have. So now this is set. My wallet is set, and you can see a lot of crypto here, a lot of crypto. Whether you want to receive crypto from anywhere, you can receive them here. BTC, Ethereum, Solana, any of them. Let's say I want to receive USDT. I'm going to select the USDT I want to receive. A lot. You can add the ones that are not here. You can just add them manually. Okay, you can see a lot of crypto here, but let's say I want to receive USDT, and I'm going to choose which chain I'm going to receive it. If it's TRC20 or Ethereum or BNB. A lot of people use BNB and TRC20. Okay, I'll just copy my address or tell somebody to scan and pay me, so you can receive money from anywhere. So this is one good opportunity you don't have to miss. This is it. I'm going to load up like you can see core, because we are going to do some core decentralized dApps here, engage on it. So I'm going to add core, and I'm going to take the address and I'm going to send core into it. Watch my next video, you see how we engage in this, how we make money from this. I'm going to add core to the list of coins that I'm doing here. Okay, so I can engage in it, and you're going to see my next video, and I'm going to receive core, and we are going to do this decentralized application smart contracts that is going to be giving us $3 to $5 daily doing this. Okay, if you stop here, you've actually learned nothing, because setting up a wallet doesn't make you money, using it does. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use this wallet to earn daily on Coresage. Click it now, don't be late.